Greetings and welcome to what is going to be an unboxing video. I don't know whether I'm all in camera. Let me just adjust the dooberies. Oh, you don't need to see all that. I'm in camera anyway. Hiya. So yes, welcome to what is going to be an unboxing video. As you can see, I have a rather large package. Right here in front of me. So let's use this knife to open said package and see what we've got inside. That's one layer opened up. Oh my word. I can't believe it. I literally can't believe what's in here. That's incredible. Bob Dylan's greatest hits. I didn't know they made tapes that short. Look. See inlay card for details. Okay. Copyright 1966. What else? Oh dear. Look at brush on that. Ooh. Oh, actually, I think it's a beard brush. How very genteel. So up to now we've got a beard brush and a cassette tape. And another box. Okay. Right, let's get rid of that one. Well, this one opens at this end. So again, let's get the Stanley knife of freedom and liberty. Oh, the tape's coming off this bit. Let's just pretend and cut it anyway. So here we are, moving on to what appears to, for some reason, be box number 2 of this unboxing video. Again, I'm just as excited as you guys to see what's in here because I can't remember what I ordered. It's not a your cake because that's here. We seem to have got that in this one. A happy eggplant. You can stay up there, eggplant. And we appear to have another box. I've never done an unboxing video before, so I'm not entirely certain if this is normal for an unboxing video. So we've had 2 boxes that we've opened already, and we've got a third one in here. So let's get the Stanley knife of freedom and enchantment, and let's see what we get out of this one. You think it'd be weird if other YouTubers did boxing videos? So you've got YouTubers doing unboxing videos and YouTubers doing boxing videos. Imagine seeing your parcel being boxed live on the interwebs. That'd be a grand concept, wouldn't it? Alright then, so in this box we have a box, another box, and a bag package type thing. So let's have a look. Let's just make sure we can cut this one. So in this one we have, it's censored. It's an aerial for Jenny. Hopefully it's the right thread size. Yeah, because Jenny's aerial for some reason is missing, and I've checked the stub bit and there's no broken off part in it, so it's just like somebody's took bits off it. So yes, an aerial for Jenny. That's what was in package number 1. Well, or package number 4, depending on how you're counting it. Oh my god, there's a big pile of cardboard boxes about to fall on me. Do you have a car? Would you like to see it featured on my YouTube channel? Then get in touch. Just drop me an email and say, "Dear Smashing Pistons, I would like you to come and drive my car," and I will do it. I can't promise I'll be nice, but I won't be nasty about your car. Shh. So just let me know. I'm going to start reviewing cars, and this is my plea to you, for you to let me come and drive your car, and I will drive it, and I will film it. Your car will be famous or infamous, but it will be there. Cookie will also come along if she learns to drive. Hi Cookie. So, let Smashing Pistons drive your car. You'll not regret it. Maybe. This one says knob on it. So one can only surmise that there's some sort of knob in this one. Well, there's a nut. Aha, and here's the gear knob. Temporary or permanent, undecided yet until I fitted it. That I bought for Jenny. It's a aluminium. It's a metal one. And I figured if it works alright, they do other ones that are blank on top, which I could get and put a gel sticker on, or I could just put a gel sticker over that part. But I think that would be nice. So that's a little black knob for Jenny. Put it back in its knob box. It's good, isn't it, when things have got their own little box that says knob on them. Right, so we've got a knob and we've got a shaft, a mast even, and then we've got this. So this says Dirt Busters Professional Cleaning Products. So can anybody guess what this is? You are more than welcome to leave a comment below guessing what this is going to be. You can even timestamp it so we'll know whether you're being genuine or not, although there's nothing to stop you watching it, finding out what it is, then going back and timestamping your comment and say, look, I got it right. Although if you'd said that, that'd mean that you knew what it was before you typed your comment. So we've got a box, we've got some bubs, box avalanche, we've got a some bubble wrap, which I could have done with this earlier because I posted a guitar pedal and I could have done using some of that. So here we have ignition transmission leather balm. This is different to what it showed in the picture, I'm sure it is. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Because I thought it was Dirt Busters, the branded stuff, but alright, we'll see what happens. Unless they just changed the branding for them. Leather balm. So basically I'm going to give the seats for Jenny a good old cleaning with this coconut shampoo. Other coconut shampoos are available, but I can't remember whether I did it on a live or on a video. I picked this one because it's sulfate free and it's free of parabens, pH, that's and then TH, so that's phthalates. What am I doing? Mineral oil, gluten and dyes. So it's a pretty pure coconut oil shampoo, and coconut oil is supposed to be really good for leather products. So we shall try that. That's my experiment. So it was like £5 for that rather than 20 quid for an expensive cleaner. And then there's this balm that I'm going to put on afterwards. See what it says on this rather badly stuck on label, I must say. Ignition, transmission, leather balm treatment, clean, so it's got a bit of cleaning to it anyway. Deep conditions, which is the important part, and protects an all-in-one treatment. Leather balm contains natural wax azoles, ingredients to deep condition, shine and protect. Restoring new and old leather, it feeds and nourishes to keep leather supple and soft, leaving it smelling of fresh sandalwood. The waxes help towards proof leather, which is ideal for car seats and trim. It buffs to a mid sheen, so it's not shiny, leaving seats and trims protected with enhanced natural colour. Use the leather balm after cleaning your leather with our car leather cleaner to achieve a professional look. So it says stage 4. It says stage 4 motor. I have no idea what all that garbage is about. Stage 4 interior. Maybe they've got their own sort of car detailing thing, and maybe it's wash car, dry car, clean inside car, protect inside car. But yes, so this is my chosen product for the protection stage. So clean with that using these soft bristled brushes in a battery drill thing. Get them all cleaned up. I'll do a video on that and then protect them with this, and hopefully that should be all we need to do to them seats. If not, it might be later on down the line, might be stripping them back and dyeing them grey. Oh, we better put that knife away. There we go. So there you go. That is an unboxing video. Maybe loads of people will start doing unboxing videos now they've seen this one. Put them together like that. And we're going to do a live, but I thought, why would I do a live? That's silly. So I didn't. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and most importantly, share with your enemies. Because again, sharing a video to someone that don't want to watch it ain't going to get me subscribers, is it? Just share with everybody, but including your enemies. I've got tape stuck to my leg. Bye.